Hey guys, in this video series, I am going to teach myself how to become a Java web application developer. And I'm just going to teach myself by doing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new dating website using all Java technologies. And I'm going to start with the most simplest concepts that I can think of. And as you can see here, I have created myself a new learning project. And as you can see, I'm just going to call it match 2 for the time being. And I have created two static web pages. One is index.html, the other is about us, and I'm just doing this with Notepad at the moment. Here is the about us web page. As you can see, it's very simple. It has a heading called About Match 2, and then it has a paragraph that just says, "We are the greatest dating website." And I have a second static website. It's called Index. Again, it's very simple. It has a link to the About Us page, and all it has on the page, it says Match 2, and then it says Welcome to Match 2. So these are two super simple web pages. And as you can see, they are in a folder called Match 2. And so basically, I have enough to go ahead and publish this and have a website up and running. Although it doesn't do much, it is a valid website. So let me go over here and let me show you that I have already installed Apache Tomcat on my computer. As you can see here, it's running on the default port of 8080. I don't have any applications installed. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how to quickly install my super simple dating website. I'm not going to use any fancy tools or frameworks or anything to get going initially. I'm just simply going to create these two static web pages. I'm going to copy them to the web apps folder on Tomcat, and I'll show you how it will be running immediately. So let me come over here. This is where my Tomcat software is installed. As you can see, if I come up to this folder, Tomcat has a few folders. These are some binary files. These are where some library files can be stored, whatever you need. These is where you can set your configurations. Now, in our case, we just want to get the app up and running very simply. So I'm going to come into the web apps folder. This is where your web apps can be installed. As you can see here, these are some of the things that came with Tomcat by default when I installed it. So what I'm going to do here is I'll come back to my projects folder. Let me come up to this level, and I'm just going to copy this whole folder called Match 2. So I'm going to hit Control C. Now I've copied the folder. I'm going to come back to my Tomcat installation, and I'm going to copy this folder, paste it into the web apps folder. So now if I go back to my Tomcat homepage, I'm going to do a refresh here. Now I'm going to come and do a slash match 2, hit enter, and here it is. I have a brand new Tomcat website up and running. I can hit the About Us link, and it will tell us about my new website, About Match 2. We are the greatest dating website. So I can go back and forth. And as you can see, this website is pretty much useless, but I'm just going to take it step by step and build this website up using the most simplest techniques that I can think of. So join me in the next video and we'll start adding more functionality to our new dating website.